Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm going to make a little short video before I hit the road. I'm going to take you over here and show you. So, let me say a mini thank you to LIPPERT and CURT Manufacturing of Hitches. Man, you people are awesome. CURT, LIPPERT, made sure that I had my hitch. They shipped this overnight. And if it wasn't have been for CURT and LIPPERT getting involved, we wouldn't be making this trip. So one of my people that I'd been talking to at LIPPERT / CURT to make this ride possible for us today is Michael Fox and his buddy Jason. Thank you, Michael Fox. We're all hooked up. We're ready to bounce up out of here, go meet this RV family that we've been, part of them's family, part of them friends, but we've been RVing with these people for 12 years. And this is our annual get-together. So if you're looking for a good hitch, call CURT Manufacturing and talk to Jason or Michael Fox. They'll get you hooked up. They're awesome people. They shipped this overnight. I had it this morning. We got her put on and we're ready to hit the road. So go fishing, happy RVing, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you, Michael Fox, LIPPERT, and CURT Manufacturing.